Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2017 Ford Fiesta 1 litre titanium. This is the EcoBoost model, 100 brake horsepower. This car's finished in frozen white. It's got the chrome grille, LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters. You've got the chrome trim running along the door tops. Rear privacy glass. 16-inch alloy wheels. Front near side. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey patterned cloth upholstery with white stitching. Rear passenger area. In the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing point for the baby seat. Manual rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car. This car's got a rear parking camera. Into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. Round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the front electric windows, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got electric folding mirrors. Automatic headlamps. Centre armrest with internal storage box, and in the storage box is a USB plug-in point. This car's done 48,567 miles. Eco mode, stop start deactivation switch, 6-speed gearbox. You got another USB point and 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Heater controls with dual climate control. Then you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system. So there's the home page. On the radio you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations. Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from your own device. Full screen navigation. The view from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. Lane departure switch, which is on the end of the indicator stalk. You've got the cruise control and speed limiter. On the other side of the steering wheel you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Leather steering wheel. Identification plate that tells it's the Ford Fiesta Titanium 1 litre EcoBoost, 100 PS engine, and it's a Euro 6 engine. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.